Before recent years, native doctors in Nigeria were not into the limelight, but nowadays they have become very wealthy, highly visible, and flaunting their cars, their houses, and their affluence. This change has brought a lot of attention to their lifestyle, with many people curious about how they make this money, the sources of wealth, and the extent of their riches. Today, we are going to be taking a deep look into the world of the traditional spiritualists, exploring the top 10 richest native doctors in Anambra State, their extravagant houses, their expensive cars, staggering net worth, and a brief look into their biographies. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting videos. Number 10, we have Nzube Joseph. Nzube Joseph, popularly known as Oga Ojik, is a popular native doctor from Okija in Anambra State, and he has built a reputation for himself as a spiritual problem solver, boldly claiming to be the only solution to every problem. This has made him to be one of the most sought after native doctors in the region of Anambra. Beyond the spiritual work, Nzube Joseph is also known for helping upcoming native doctors by preparing charms that attract clients to them, ensuring their success in the business. And over years, his influence has grown and he has amassed a great fortune, owning multiple mansions, luxury cars, and various businesses, including the last stories in Anambra State. With an estimated net worth of 9.6 billion naira, he is one of the richest native doctors in Nigeria today and in Anambra State. Number 9, we have Nooo is also known as Alusi Eguroro. Is another prominent and wealthy traditionalist from Anambra State. He is widely respected for his deep knowledge of spiritual work and his ability to prepare potent charms, including soap for protection and other mystical works. Aside from his spiritual dealings, Nooo is also a businessman, owning a thriving electrical shop in Anambra State. His investment in various sectors has contributed to immense wealth, enabling him to acquire luxury houses and expensive cars. His estimated net worth is around 10.5 billion naira, making him one of the richest native doctors in Nigeria. Number 8, we have Onye Eze Jesus. Onye Eze Jesus is a prophet and a traditionalist who has gained a massive recognition in Anambra State and beyond. He is famous for his ability to prepare charms that grant wealth, making him a favorite among Yahoo boys and others seeking financial breakthrough. He has invested in several businesses across Anambra State, including real estate and high-end vehicles. His mansions is reportedly worth around 30 million naira and is a symbol of his sources in the spiritual and business world. With an estimated net worth of 10.7 billion naira, Onye Eze Jesus has secured a place among the wealthiest native doctors in Nigeria and in Anambra State. Number 7, we have Chief Obiora Nwako. Chief Obiora Nwako is a well-recognized traditionalist and a native doctor and herbal specialist. He is widely known for his magical powers and his ability to perform different spiritual work, including body charms, love charms, and success charms. His clientele include wealthy businessmen and women who pay a huge sum of services, and over the years, his practice has become his primary source of income, though he also owns several other investments that contributed to his growing net worth. He has a net worth estimated around 11.1 billion naira, making him one of the richest spiritualists in Anambra State. Number 6, we have Chukwudi Noweke, popularly known as AAA, Almighty God of Thunder, is one of the most influential and successful native doctors from Anambra State. His deep spiritual knowledge and the mastery of traditional practices has earned him a great respect, making him a revered figure in the spiritual and the cultural landscape of Nigeria. Over the years, his powerful abilities and unwavering dedication to his craft has attracted countless followers, clients, and admirers who seek for his help for healing, protection, and financial breakthrough. Through his spiritual work, he has gained a reputation for problem solving even the most complex problems, and earned him the trust of individuals from different areas of life, including the business tycoons, politicians, and even high-profile figures. His success in the spiritual realm has seamlessly translated into financial prosperity, allowing him to expand his influence beyond traditional places. He is also known to own several luxury houses across Nigeria, each a testament to his immense wealth and status. His properties located in prime areas reflect his taste for elegance, comfort, and modern architectural designs. These homes serve as a source of his achievements, showcasing the reward of his hard work and his dedication. In addition to his vast real estate holdings, Chukwudi Noweke possesses a fleet of expensive cars, further proving his financial success. His collection consists of some of the most prestigious automobile brands, reflecting his love for luxury, speed, and sophistication. Whether cruising in a high-end SUV or exotic sports car, he exudes the confidence and power that come from his position as a dominant figure in both the spiritual and business world. With an estimated net worth of 11.4 billion, Chukwudi Nweke continues to dominate the spiritual world and the business space, proving that his influence extends far beyond traditional healing. His ability to balance spiritual with wealth creation has solidified his legacy as a man of immense power, wisdom, and financial sources. Number 5, we have Ugochukwu Joseph, aka Man Pass Man. Ugochukwu Joseph, popularly known as Man Pass Man, got his nickname due to these extraordinary spiritual abilities. Many believe that he has the power to perform feats that ordinary men cannot even dream of. He is highly respected for his ability to cure mentally ill individuals and prepare powerful charms that help youths and wealthy individuals seeking protection and success. In addition to his spiritual work, Man Pass Man owns several businesses and investments. His mansions, reportedly worth around 150 million naira, is a testament to his affluence. His net worth is estimated around 12.6 billion naira, making him one of the richest native doctors in the country. Number 4, we have Double Transformer. Nzube Transformer is a powerful native doctor from the Oba Kingdom in Anambra State. He is formerly a pastor of Onye Eze Adoration Outreach in Abuja, but he later transitioned into a spiritual work after claiming that he was not progressing financially as a pastor. Today, he is regarded as a specialist in curing madness, granting business breakthroughs, and providing protection charms. His success in the spiritual industry has made him a billionaire in Naira with multiple houses, luxury cars, and vast investment. He has an estimated net worth of 13 billion naira. Number 3, we have Decency Emeka. Decency Emeka, also known as Miria Willow, not just a native doctor, but also a herbalist, an actor, and a radio presenter. Hailing from Anambra State, he has built a reputation for his remarkable healing abilities and his financial breakthrough charms, earning the trust and the admiration of many who seek a spiritual guidance over the years. He has successfully blended traditional practices with modern entertainment, creating a unique space for himself in multiple industries. His influence extends far beyond the realm of traditional healing, as he has made a significant investment in entertainment and media, and as an actor, he has taken roles that showcase his deep knowledge of spiritual and cultural practices, further cementing his status as a multifaceted personality. He also works as a radio presenter, which also allows him to reach a wider audience, sharing insights on spirituality, culture, and personal growth. Through his spiritual work, many has testified life-changing breakthroughs from healing ailments to achieving financial prosperity. His ability to provide solutions to complex problems has made him a sought-after figure, attracting clients from different walks of life. With a strong presence in both traditional and modern sectors, Decency Emeka has not only gained respect but has also amassed considerable wealth, and his strategic investment in spiritual expertise has contributed to his impressive net worth of 13.6 billion naira, solidifying his position as a prominent and influential figure in Anambra.
Ritual aburovu Ogugbogu na omenana be very much different. Ina agbo ogwu ewele nge na chi gi yiwe bia yeri uzuche gi
Number 2, we have Obi Ali Ali. Obi is a highly successful traditionalist, a businessman, and a real estate investor who has made a name for himself through deep spiritual knowledge and strategic financial ventures. His influence extends far beyond the spiritual realm as he has successfully built a thriving business empire that continues to grow. Known for his wisdom and ability to produce solutions to life challenges, he has also gained a vast following of devoted clients who seek for his guidance in matters of health, prosperity, and success. His investment in real estate has significantly contributed to his wealth, allowing him to acquire some of the most valuable properties in Nigeria. His mansion's worth over 100 million naira and is one of the most luxurious homes owned by a native doctor, showcasing his taste for elegance and sophistication. Every corner of the estate reflects his success with exquisite designs, premium furnishing, and the state-of-the-art facilities that rival those of the elite. Beyond his residence, Obi feats of executive cars also prove his immense net worth. His collection includes some of those expensive and sought-after vehicles, each representing his status as a man of great affluence. His love for luxury and comfort is evident in his choice of high-end automobiles, which symbolize his journey from humble beginnings to remarkable financial success. With an estimated net worth of 14.4 billion naira, he stands as one of the most wealthy spiritualists in Nigeria, and his ability to merge traditional spiritual practices with modern business strategy has set him aside as one of the most influential in terms of net worth and terms of power. Number 1, we have Aqua Okuku. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is Aqua Okuku, a legendary native doctor from the Oba Kingdom in Anambra State. He is popularly known as the egg that broke the palm nut, a name that signifies the power and dominance of the spiritual realm. Aqua Okuku is not just a native doctor, he is also a business mogul with investment in real estate, luxury hotels, and high-end vehicles. His mansion is worth over 200 million and is a symbol of immense wealth, and he is also known for preparing charms for pastors, politicians, and individuals seeking for protection and wealth. His estimated net worth is around 15 billion naira, making him one of the richest native doctors in Nigeria. And that concludes the list of today. If you enjoy watching the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe.
ekwena ka mmadụ nwe ife na-eme aja maka na imebego ọfụma ma eji wetinye nkwutọ mana ife ọbụla ị na-eme ma ebidobere nkwutọ ma ọ bụ ife ọbụla imebe ọdụ ka ị na-eri ego mana aka bịa gbawa onye ọgwụ ego a na-enwebe ego gbaba mbọ ya onye ọgwụ ka na-ekwu maka ma o nwere onye bụ mmadụ ekwu maka a na-akọla akụkọ onye ala akụkọ onye menwere ibe ka na-ekwu gbaa mbọ ka o nwee ibe ekwu maka gị ma ekwuru maka o nwere ibe ị na-eme ụzọ ibe na-atọ ka nwoke na-aza n'ụwa ma na ọbago mmọnwụ. Nọmba 1 onye ọgwụ ego. Nọmba 2 na nwa enwere nsọpụrụ na ọ na-akpali mmadụ. Nọmba 3 na this guy nwere ajọ obi ụzọ ebe taa ka ya dị emegidekwa n'ala igwe mmadụ kpọba ya ma na-edo nnekwu na o nwere ibe ị na-eme ụfọdụ ka na-agbaka anyị n'ihe anyị mere na 2023 na 2024 kedu ihe ya eme 2025 ajọ ka nna ajụ ọla mmadụ mana nwere onye eze anya ụfọdụ pụta tata webela anyị iwe maka na anyị lụrụ họteelụ na mba ụsa mana obibe ka nche ego mgbe edo na eji m papa mụta gị alụtara họteelụ wee bọzie ego nwanyị onwe gị wepụ anya ukwu wepụ eye service ka ụwa teele gị aka ndị ka o nwee ibe ichetara maka na onye anya ukwu a na-echetara iwe n'ụwa tawa ma ọ na-agụala onwe onye ọba n'ide mmiri aghọta nke obe na-akpụ abịa m ụdị nji ekwu okwu ibe ndị wede aba advice mmadụ akpọzi na Hausa ogo bịa na o nwere ebe unu ya eje ọgụ ma ọ bụ na onwe onye chọrọ ya okwu ijụrụ ihe na-ese ijụchala ajụcha mara na ọnya chọrọ okwu wee were maka niile elite iwe n'aka ya wee soro onye ahụ ejebe ọgụ eruo tie onye ahụ iwe etiche onye ahụ iwe ọnaba ichefuzie na onye ntili ibe nwekwa mens na nwekwa nwanne nwee ikwu nwee ibe marụkwa na emesịa na onye ahụ achọta ụnụ and o nwee ike ọ bụzie na ebe ya ebidi ọgụgụ na alụgụ maka na ịbụ onye ego ego o nwee ike ọ bụrụ ya ebu na ya bụ ife and go marụkwa na agụ nwa ego wee ji ọgụ ahụ na ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ebe ị na-alụba aka ọrụ marụkwa na saịdị fevọ saịdị onye enye agbachigo maka na ọ bụrụ na ị na-alụ plọmba ọ bụrụ na o nwere nwanne ya na-alụ ụlọ o nwere ike ọ bụrụ ka ekwesịrị inye dị ọrụ maọbụ iwere ya ị chọrọ ọrụ jee ka enyewe ọrụ ife nwanne ya bụ ije emegide maọbụ ije jeje n'ụsọ ọgụ ya agba ya ka o ya emekwa so be careful ekwesịna ka ewere udozi ọrụ ụfọdụ gakọtakwara n'ụzọ ọnwụ ike gbuo ba ụfọdụ gakọtakwara n'ụzọ ibe meva egbegbu mmadụ atọrọ mmadụ atọrọ n'ụwa o nwere ibe kpatara ya so be careful ejezina be ụzọ niile erite ife n'aka mmadụ ọsọ ugbo bịa n'onwe ya na-achọ ya okwe ya mapụ jebe ka ije ka ị nụọ ọgụ ka iwe meta ya mma iwelu ka iwe meta ya mma buru ilo gbachie ya ofebọ gbachie ụzọ niile kotakwuo okwu maka na okwu ahụ ikotara bụ famili ụka ikonyere ya maka na onye ahụ yara afụta ụdị famili uwe asa evu na ụfọdụ esemokwu dụ nna onye a na nna onye a na-ese okwu emesịa amụta nwa na nwa na-ese bụ ife nna na nna kọsụ so ya adazi na-ebute enemiti bifo ije gbagharị mmadụ ọgụ ma ọ bifo mmadụ akpọ ọsụ n'onwe onye na-eme nke a enyocha marụ na onye ahụ kpọrọ ya bụ ife na nlapụta ka ọ chee lapụtara ụdị ife ọsọ ya bụrụ ya ka ị na-enweta n'aka onye ahụ eso na mmadụ wee buru ilo eso na mmadụ wee nwee enemi bike afọ okwu m na-agbazighịzi aga onwe ibe me njikwa okwu a iti a na-egere ọkwa okwu mana iti onwe asụwa aga ị aghọta ibe m na-ekwu mana ọ bụrụ bọrọ ịbọ ma oke ị ghara ene ma emesịa eji onye nọrọ na-akụkere ibe akwa na-ekwu onye a nwekwa ntị ọ ga-agwa ibe m na-ekwu pawa ekwena ka akụzielu akụzielu were uche mụta ibe na-ekwu adụ 50 gụba akwụkwọ mara mmadụ na-atọ gba first and second and third ụfọdụ gbakwara 50 ahụ nwere uche mana inwe uche ya na ibe m na-ekwu